Hey everyone, welcome back, and at this time let me show you how you can end the Duolingo subscription. So as you can see, I have the Duolingo active on my device. I'm in the super mode, super family, but within the app, if you get inside of Duolingo, you can obviously upgrade and you can manage the plan, but you cannot really cancel it. So if you have performed the payment through the Apple payments like I have in here through iPhone, you can just go to your settings app of the iPhone, like general settings page, click on your profile at the top and proceed to subscriptions, which are below. You wait for it to load up. You can see I have things like Apple Music and so on, and Duolingo is one of them. So you'll be able to get in here. I currently have it canceled already, so the button says to renew, but if your subscription is active, the button below will say cancel the subscription. So this is where you can basically control it and manage it on your device. You can of course use Duolingo on many different apps and like services, but if you use it, for example, on Android, right, you can sign in with the same account, but it will only let you manage the subscription in the place where you started in. So I can learn on Android, but if I started the subscription on iPhone, I have to manage it in here. So a little caveat right there, but generally speaking, it shouldn't be that hard to cancel it. So let me know what you think about this below in the comments. Subscribe for more. Subscribe for free, of course, on YouTube, so you don't miss anything important in the future, and I'll see you later.